If you clicked on this video, you may have really curly lashes that are hard to apply falsies with, or you just want to learn how to apply lashes. Either way, girl, keep on watching. First things first, choose your favorite set of falsies. Today, I'm using Sexy Eyes from Lashed by Vaughn. For adhesive, I'm using Duo, which goes on white and dries clear. Most importantly, a pair of eyelash curlers, eyelash tweezers, and regular tweezers, courtesy of Lashed by Vaughn and your favorite drugstore. Also, I forgot to mention I do have a pair of eyelash scissors which we'll use to cut the band. One would think that the main attraction is the lashes, but honey, no. When you have curly eyelashes, you need to take your eyelash curler upside down so that you can curl your eyelashes down. This is probably the most important step. If you have stubborn eyelashes like mine, be sure to curl down as long as you need so that they can be straight. For those of you who do not have curly eyelashes, you can just skip this step and move on to the next. Place your lashes in the tweezers and begin to place them on your eyelid. We want to size our eyelid to the lashes so that they aren't too long and we don't look crazy. After doing so, snip off the excess lash. Also, snip off the excess band and any hairs that may be out of place. My eyelash is backwards for demonstration. Go ahead and take your lash glue and move it along the band. Try not to get any of the glue on the hairs. The lash glue must get tacky before it can stick. Please wait 30 seconds before you apply your lash. While doing so, we're going to go back in with the eyelash curler and re-straighten out our eyelashes. If your lashes are anything like mine, you'll need this step. Now that our lash glue is tacky, we're going to take the eyelash and place it directly on your eyelid. Be sure to attach the outer and inner corners. This is where our standard tweezers come in handy. You see how easy that was to just go ahead and make sure that everything is just stuck together? Honey, you're gonna be looking real cute and they're gonna stay all day long. See how easy that was? Flawless. Eyelashes definitely take your look to the next level. Now that we have one eye complete, let's go ahead and do the other one. See how easy that was, girl? We cute. We cute. Hey. I want to thank you for tuning into this video. Please don't forget to like the video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on your post notification bell so that you never miss an upload. Love you guys. Let's keep glowing and growing together. Mwah! Reflect on me, connect with me.